Everyone, today we're playing Superpoker and this name is going to be Night Routine. Yeah, the Night Routine. Okay, let me get my baby first because, oh my gosh, I need two. I need to shower my baby because it's almost night time and it's already afternoon and we need my baby to be clean, right? Girls. Yeah, mom. Ready your pajamas? Why? Because it's already afternoon. Okay. Mine's ready. Okay. What pajamas should I use? I'm just gonna use this one. Use this face mask. Wait, let me just get something. Okay, I have this, so we're gonna shower my baby right here. Don't cry. Let's put some soapy for my baby, of course. This is done.
Presentation tayo ng senior citizen, buong senior. So, kailangan nakaplano yan, basta magpapa-schedule.
Oops.
So, kasi babagsakan natin yan ng...
Mommy forgot to buy you clothes or hat. You want hat? Okay. I'm just gonna put you to bed first. Tomorrow we're gonna buy hats, okay? Okay.
So, bibilangin kasi
Wait.
natin siya kung ilan ang senior citizen na active.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi naman kasi lahat ng senior active.
I'm going to the
So, halimbawa
to the gift shop. Oh my gosh, let me get my cat for this. Okay, we're here. Oh my gosh. I just need the cleaner. Let me just get this. Yeah. Then
Kasi talaga lahat ng mga kapitan is busy dahil lang sa Rizal, ganyan din mo natutangkot. Yung mga leader ko sa
Mommy, that is a beautiful hat. Wait a second. Let's get this from my other dad that have glasses. She always yells. Okay. This is for my other daughter because she don't have copy clothes. And this is for my sweet little baby, cutie baby.
Meron naman talaga, i-announce kasi yun ang kapitan, kung sino yung namumuno nila, i-announce siya na may ganitong dito.
Okay, we need many masks.
Pero kung sinabi mo lang, wala mong alam eh.
I forgot we need this. What should we get next for baby? Oh, this is cute.
Hindi kasi yung pamasipat na sa hindi naman talaga pa niyan. Kumbaga yan, privilege lang natin mga tinig.
Okay. This
So
is
kaya
cute
nga lang,
as
bago
well.
mag-umpisa ng mga ganon, so bago ka mag-release sa kanila, so ano ba, 1 month before, tapos
Okay.
talaga,
This is for
meron
Halloween.
sila kung upload din date na gano'n, kung may mga doktor na speaker sila kanila po,
And
bakit
of
pero wala,
course, the
so
baby
hindi
towel.
tayo basta-basta makakapag-book ng mga ganon date.
Oh, we need
Tapos,
towels.
yun nga sinasabi sa iyo, so kailangan may
We need
advance
towels
na
for the other
ibang
house.
power pack. Sige, sige.
Get out.
Sige.
Go in. I don't know if it will fit. Okay, time to go home. Okay, guys, I already put the things right there. Oh, it's nighttime. I'm gonna go now.
Pwede naman. Ang products, ang...
Okay, let me get
Ha?
the rope.
Ay, oo, sige. Ipapakunatin kay Jerry.
Okay, my shampoo. And I use soapy.
Nakaraan. Isna, Martes.
Let me get some mess like this one. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed with it. Is there a new update? You know what? Yeah, you gotta keep it down. Okay. I don't really know how to use this in real life, so I'm just copying every single video that other YouTubers make. Yeah. Back.
Okay,
let me change into my clothes. Put the rope right there now. Okay, sis, what about you? Mom's going to get angry. Fine. Okay, I'm just gonna open this. I'm gonna get my pencil. What happened? Okay. Just pretend you just take off the glasses because I didn't saw it. Sorry. Okay.
Ano ba yung sinasabi ni Chef na bibiyahe tayo ng kuwan? 25.
Okay, I'm faster every time. Mushroom milk, okay. Let me look at that it be. Girl, what are you singing? Nothing.
Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, 27, bibiyahe kami kasi bibiyahe kami sa bag.
Let me need Oh my gosh, my sister was don't do her homework. Okay. Good.
Kung 25, kasi sabi ko, babalik din ako, hindi ako pwede mag-control ng straight.
Okay, I
Ang
think
sabi ko sa kanya, kung gusto mo talaga ng schedule na,
all for today's video. Bye.